How to use a Visa gift card on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Temu app. Make sure you are signed in, and now, in order to be able to use Visa gift card on Temu, you need to make a purchase first. So, go ahead and add a few items on your cart and proceed to check out. I already have items on my cart, so I will simply tap on my cart and further tap on the checkout button. You will then be required to fill in your personal information and your shipping address. Once entered, move towards the payment method tab. Here, tap on the card radio button and you will further be required to enter your card information. That includes your card number, the expiration date, and CVV. Go ahead and enter these, and once entered, tap on the submit order button, and this is how you can use a Visa gift card on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.